The season of revelry and joy is upon us. Good day, my dear friends. I'm Professor Percival, here to immerse ourselves in the vibrant spirit of Carnival. Carnival is a time to celebrate life, embrace diversity, and enjoy the richness of cultures from around the world. From the lively streets of Rio to the elaborate masks of Venice, every corner of the globe dances to its own rhythm. It's a festival where music, dance, and costumes tell stories of tradition, resilience, and unity. So, wherever you are, let's join hands in spirit and partake in this wonderful celebration. Share joy, spread love, and let the music move you. Wishing you all a fantastic carnival. May it fill your heart with happiness and your mind with new inspirations.